guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. It's been a little while since I've done one of these videos, but I thought, let's go ahead and start that again. Hopefully I will keep it up. This is basically an unboxing and first reveal. Okay, second reveal. I showed these on my live stream last night. Forgive me. Anyway, I'm going to show you all of the different club kits that I have for the month of October 2024. I have 6 of them. There are more. Plus, you can always get the caboodle, the deluxe caboodle, to get all the things at a discount, plus an extra little add-on that they do every single month. I did not get that one this month, but I do want to share with you all the goodies and the cards that I made with these. So first off, we've got the Better Press of the month. It's Design a Plaid. This one is really cool. First, we do have some sentiments with a die to be able to cut them all out. So you do 5 sentiments, and we have the banners to cut all 5 of them out all at once, so that saves a bunch of time. But when it comes to the actual plates, when I first looked at it, I thought it was 2. It's actually 4. So you have 2 horizontal and 2 short, 2 long, because you can basically set them up any which way you want to. So this is going to be a very versatile set. We have one that has got 2 small stripes, and the other has a large and a small stripe, and the same thing with the longer ones. Okay, plus we have the registration, and let me put this in front of, there we go, you'll be able to see it better there. So you can line it up to make it duplicate this. You can create your own tartan, and the reason I say tartan instead of plaid is my husband, I think his family goes back to like Denmark or Scotland, I don't know, anyway, Europe. I'm not real familiar with all of that. My dad also had a tartan, which I didn't know about until right before we were getting married. So my plan is I'm going to try to duplicate the Gordon tartan, which is my family's tartan. Anyway, yeah. Todd's, if I remember right, was ugly. Mine was blues and greens, and so that's going to be pretty. So I'm going to give that one a try. Plus, this is going to be great for all of your Christmas holiday plaids. Plus, if you want to do like plaid for any other time of the year, just use softer colors. So this is going to be very versatile, and I think I'm going to have it as one of the multiple things that stays at my desk constantly. I have got a stash of things that I use on a regular basis, along with all the new stuff that I play with, and that collection keeps, my at my desk collection keeps on getting larger and larger and larger. But this is one that I think is going to be a fabulous new addition. Next, we've got, because this is all holiday themed, because Christmas is coming, we've got Festive Lights, which is the glimmer of the month. And look at all of those fun little Christmas lights. I think this is going to be a super fun one to do. You'll be able to do backgrounds and then the sentiment just using this, but that doesn't mean that your backgrounds have to be all one shape. They don't have to be rectangle. You can do lots of other things, like what the example is shown on your paperwork. This I printed off of the internet, off of some information I get from Spellbinders. This should be in with your collection. This should be in with what you get directly from them when you purchase this. So anyway, that's the glimmer of the month. Then we have Holiday Besties. So we've got 4 cute critters. Let me pull that out. Again, I printed out a guide so I know what all the things are, but you can't really see it as well when I have it behind that. Let me grab a piece of cardstock. That way you can see these little guys. So we've got 2 sets of buddies. So we've got these 2 that are hanging out together, our snowman and our little snow bunny. And then we've got a penguin and a bear. But that doesn't mean that you couldn't, I'm not going to do it. You could do stamp surgery and cut them out so you have 2 separate, but you can always mask one off if you want to pair them up differently. Plus you have some fun sentiments. Merry everything and happy always. Wishing you a sprinkle of Christmas magic. Oh, awesome. Sweet winter wishes. Sending you warm wishes wrapped in holiday cheer, and warmest wishes for all the wonderful Christmas filled with love and laughter. I think this is so super sweet, and these little critters are adorable. Loving them. Okay, then we've got the embossing folder of the month, which is an argyle pattern. So that will be fun to create with. I've got some ideas, and then I'm going to finish it up. Actually, I've got two things to finish it up. This one is Festive Friends. So it's another friend and holiday theme. We've got a cute little bear. We've got a penguin. We have lights. So let me show you what it looks like together. We've got the bear in his sweater wrapped with Christmas lights because the penguin kind of went a little crazy and it was playing. Anyway, I think that is going to be super, super fun to play with. Can't wait to have all this die cut out and let you guys see all the things. And then we have the wax seal of the month that says most wonderful time of the year. That would go great on any of these. So give me just a minute to gather my thoughts and I will show you cards with all of these. So it took me a couple of days to get all of these cards made for you, and there are process videos coming up, so keep an eye out. First off, we have this one that upside down. This one using the clear stamp and die of the month. I also used my stencil and stamp platform with the spinner thing. I will use better words later, but I think this turned out super cute, and I haven't really been able to make decent... Okay, you never see wreaths on my channel, but you will see some coming up because this thing makes it so easy to make with any of your stamps, and I think this turned out so cute. It says, warmest wishes for a wonderful Christmas filled with love and laughter, and all of these little winter buddies are hanging out with each other, and I just realized I still need to go back and color these. I'm not sure what they're holding, but I need to go back and color those. So this one's almost done. Anyway, I think that turned out super cute. Next, that's for a different design. Okay, these two are made with the Better Press of the month and the wax seal of the month. The wax seal says most wonderful time of the year, and I used two different colors of wax for those, along with the pattern that you get using the Better Press. I love that plaid. That looks so nice. Then we have, oh, this one is lovely. This is using the Glimmer of the month. And it really needs no description. I love the foil that came with it this time. And yeah, this is just so lovely just on its own. But you could do this on white cardstock and color everything up. So many different things you can do with it. I kept this card really simple, which also means that you'd be able to mass produce it. And then lastly, we have the bear and penguin, and along with the argyle embossing folder. So I was cracking up the whole time I was making this. I think this is just so super cute. Yeah, takes a little bit of time to get all the die cuts arranged and everything and cut out and all, but this is just a super stinking cute. I love it. This is probably my favorite out of the bunch. And as I was making each one, I thought it was probably my favorite, but out of the ones from the clubs this month, this one is my absolute favorite. So anyway, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure you do so that you get notified when these videos go up, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.